Rain chances start to move in on Wednesday, but Thursday is our WFA weather alert day because that is the day that we are expecting widespread scattered showers and thunderstorms. Could be a little heavy at times, not really expecting much in terms of severe weather, but I wouldn't be surprised if we had an isolated shower thunderstorm that was strong to severe and produced some gusty wind and lightning, but that's it. The bigger concern is how much rain are we expecting? 1 to 3 inches is going to be a possibility across really much of North Texas. Right now, it's trending just north of the metroplex and a little bit closer to the Red River. So we'll watch it, but you need to stay updated with the latest forecast and have a way to receive any warnings that could potentially come out. In the meantime, it is clear right now. This is our Fair Park camera. Traffic is building, temperatures are warm, and it's a little breezy from time to time. But we are watching that storm system that will be moving in sometime Wednesday into Thursday. Right now, that storm, it's on the west coast, so it is making landfall as we speak. In the meantime, we do have mostly clear skies, but tomorrow, even overnight tonight, we will start to see increasing clouds. But for now, nice and clear. And tonight, we're not going to be completely cloudy. I'm just going to call it partly cloudy. But by the time we get into tomorrow afternoon, still looking partly cloudy. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward our timecast all the way to 7 o'clock on Wednesday morning, because on Wednesday we are expecting mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures go down a little bit and we have a very low chance of rain. At least the coverage of rain is going to be low, only 20% during the day. But by 7 o'clock now you can see that coverage of rain and storms increasing a little bit more out to the west, and eventually it moves off to the east late Wednesday night into Thursday morning. So this is going to be midnight on Wednesday night, and you can see that the rain now at least moving into the northern sides of the metroplex. It starts to pick up a little bit more in both in coverage and intensity by Thursday morning. This is going to be 7 o'clock in the morning, and now we're looking at rain moving into Fort Worth and Dallas. But then by the time we get to midday, most of the metroplex and areas off to the west will be seeing rain during that time. Later in the afternoon and early evening, everything starts to slowly shift off to the east, but we're still seeing rain during that time. So on and off scattered showers and storms during much of our Thursday. By the time we get into Friday morning, most of the rain will be out of here, but we're still going to have the clouds around. So that's actually going to work in our favor. Friday looks dry and it also looks nice and cool. But how much rain are we expecting? Again, notice the brighter reds and even the oranges. They're going to be just north of the metroplex and especially closer to the Red River, but anywhere this could change a little bit. We're going to go with 1 to 3 inches and isolated higher totals. Tonight, though, we're staying dry. It's also going to stay pretty warm. We're only dropping into the upper 60s and low 70s. And then tomorrow afternoon, the normal high is 66. The record high is 83. We're going to go with a high of 85. So I think we actually break the record high tomorrow. But on Wednesday, because we're expecting more clouds to move in, temperatures now drop into the low 80s. It's still too warm. On Thursday, 70 degrees. That's 5 degrees above normal. On Friday, we're looking at low 70s, but by this weekend, temperatures do drop down into the 60s. Now we're going to fast forward to Thanksgiving Day, and this could change quite a bit. We're still several days out, but for now we're going mid 60s, so that's near normal. And we're also looking at mostly cloudy skies, but the latest data this afternoon, it looks like Thanksgiving will be dry. Tonight though, partly cloudy, temperatures drop into the upper 60s. Tomorrow afternoon, kind of a mix of sun and clouds, temperatures in the mid 80s. And then yes, the rain does move in Wednesday night into Thursday. Thursday's our WFA weather alert day. Behind it, temperatures start to cool off and it looks like they stay cool for a while.